Want to use the Daraz app on your PC? Here's how. First, visit the official Daraz website and download the app directly to your computer. This method is quick and straightforward, allowing you to access all the features Daraz has to offer on your desktop. Alternatively, you can use an Android emulator like BlueStacks or Nox Player. Emulators simulate a mobile environment on your PC, providing a seamless Daraz app experience. Simply download and install the emulator, then search for the Daraz app in the Google Play Store within the emulator. Once installed, open the app and enjoy. For those preferring cloud services, platforms like now.gg offer another way to run mobile apps on your PC. Access the Daraz app through the cloud without needing to download anything. This method is efficient and saves space on your hard drive. The Daraz app boasts a user-friendly interface, faster browsing, and enhanced search functionality. You can easily navigate through thousands of products, read customer reviews, and make secure purchases from the comfort of your PC. Ensure your system meets the minimum requirements. For Windows, you'll need Windows 7 or higher. For Mac, OS X 10.10 or later. And for Linux, a modern distribution like Ubuntu. Following these steps will guarantee a smooth installation process. If you encounter any issues, consult the user guide and FAQs provided on the Daraz website. They offer detailed solutions and troubleshooting tips to help you get started. Experience the convenience of shopping with the Daraz app on your PC today. Download now and explore a world of products at your fingertips.